Hello, welcome to PSU Employees Homebuild. I am Dr. Anju Meena, founder of PSU Employees Homebuild. We have worked with hundreds of PSU employees and families across India, helping them make calm, structured, and well-informed real estate decisions. At PSU Employees Homebuild, our mission is simple: to help PSU employees understand real estate with clarity so they can make confident decisions without pressure or confusion. Now let's talk about today's topic. Let's begin. Let's jump right in. Today, we're doing a much-needed reality check, and this explainer is tailored specifically for all our hardworking PSU colleagues out there. Whether you're at IOCL, ONGC, BPCL, the railways, or any other major organization, we know building long-term wealth is a massive priority for you. But, today we're putting down the shiny real estate brochures. We're going to focus entirely on what actually matters: long-term sustainability, monthly financial comfort, and genuine peace of mind. So, let me ask you a really critical question. Is a manageable EMI, that equated monthly installment, actually enough to guarantee a safe property investment? Seriously, take a second to think about that. We so often assume that, hey, if the monthly loan payment fits nicely into our stable salary, the property is a totally safe bet, right? But the reality? The actual financial pressure almost never comes from the EMI itself. It comes from the creeping, hidden costs. And today, we're going to calmly unpack this whole hidden reality. Okay, here's a quick look at our roadmap for this explainer. We'll kick things off with the real estate EMI illusion. Then we'll uncover those hidden maintenance costs. From there, we'll break down the 10-year financial impact, compare luxury versus practical ownership, and finally wrap up with the PSU employee advantage. Let's get to it. Section 1, the real estate EMI illusion. Let's talk about rush decisions. Look, we all know PSU life is just incredibly demanding. Your day starts early, you're rushing to the office, sitting through endless meetings, juggling vendor follow-ups, managing emails, and always dealing with that looming possibility of transfers, all while trying to balance your family duties. Because of this totally jam-packed routine, a lot of PSU professionals literally just do not have the time to deeply research a property. You might visit a luxury project on a Sunday, see a gorgeous setup, and think, well, my salary is stable, I can usually manage this. But honestly, that rushed assumption is exactly where the danger starts. Think about it. When booking a property, buyers usually follow these 3 standard steps like clockwork. Step 1, calculate the down payment. Step 2, calculate the EMI. And step 3, check your loan eligibility. Now, because of your incredible job security as a PSU employee, you're going to sail through these steps effortlessly. Absolutely no problem. But because you sail through them so fast, you critically ignore the creeping burden of what actually comes next. People are calculating the cost of buying the property, but completely underestimating the cost of actually keeping it. Moving into Section 2, uncovering hidden maintenance costs. This is what we call the luxury trap. Okay, picture this. When a builder gives you a tour, what are they actually showing you? They're highlighting the premium air-conditioned lobbies, the ultra-modern clubhouses, those sprawling swimming pools, and high-end gyms. And it works. It creates this massive short-term excitement. But what the glossy brochure definitely doesn't tell you is that these luxury amenities silently mask a huge long-term financial burden. Someone has to pay to keep that massive pool crystal clear and that lobby perfectly chilled. And spoiler alert, that someone is you. The actual cost of property ownership is a much, much wider pie than just the EMI. The EMI, that's really just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, you've got your base maintenance, property taxes, potential vacancy losses if you rent it out, and mandatory interior updates over time. That massive weight of ownership sits right below the water. You only see the tip when you sign the papers, but the real cost, that hits your bank account month after month after month. Which brings us to Section 3, the 10-year financial impact. Let's actually track these costs. 15 lakh rupees, that is 1.5 million rupees. Just let that number sink in for a second. Let's say you buy a flat in one of these luxury societies. The EMI is perfectly manageable, sure, and the initial monthly maintenance fee is around, say, 12,000 rupees. Now, at first, 12,000 doesn't seem like a big deal for someone with a stable income, but over 10 years, that seemingly harmless monthly fee silently snowballs into an overwhelming 15 lakh rupee drain on your wealth. And remember, that is just the maintenance cost alone. Crazy, right? But it's true. So you're probably wondering, where on earth does all that money actually go? Well, it piles up year after year. First off, maintenance costs are never static. There are yearly maintenance hikes just to keep up with inflation. Then, bam, sudden repair funds are added to your bill for general building wear and tear. On top of that, you face escalating parking charges, and sometimes you're hit with forced society upgrade expenses. Oh, and if you bought this as an investment property, every single month it sits empty is a vacancy loss. Plus, you still have to pay that high maintenance. It literally just quietly chips away at your hard-earned savings. And honestly, the most tragic part is that it isn't just about the money lost. It becomes this constant, creeping drain on your mental peace. The catch is, once you buy a home, you naturally become emotionally attached to it. It's incredibly difficult to just up and sell it, to exit when the costs get too high. So what started out as this super exciting, joyful purchase gradually transforms into a long-term, stressful mental burden that you just kind of feel stuck with. Now for Section 4, luxury versus practical ownership. It's all about making the right choice. Look, the absolute wrong way to buy real estate is yielding to high-pressure builder tactics, chasing those flashy luxury amenities, copying what your colleagues are doing, and just riding that wave of short-term excitement. The right way, it's evaluating the actual maintenance sustainability. It's prioritizing your long-term comfort over a fancy lobby. It's looking at realistic occupancy levels and actively seeking out ethical, education-first guidance. Basically, you gotta decide with your head, not your emotions. Finally, Section 5, the PSU Employee Advantage. Let's talk about your inherent strengths. Truth be told, as a PSU employee, you actually have a completely unfair edge in the real estate market. You have a highly stable, rock-solid, reliable income. You've got exceptional loan eligibility. And because of the nature of your work, you possess deep professional discipline and just incredible long-term patience. These are absolute superpowers. Builders know this, by the way, which is exactly why they target you. But here's the magic. When you combine these inherent strengths with the right real estate education, you become virtually immune to those builder traps. You are positioned to make the smartest, safest decisions out there. So how do you actually use that unfair edge? By following these concrete steps before you sign a single document. Number 1, evaluate the maintenance sustainability. Ask yourself, will this fee still be affordable 10 years from now? Number 2, check the practical occupancy levels of the builder's previous projects. Are actual human beings living there, or are they just ghost towers? And number 3, assess the real rental practicality. If you need to rent it out, is the rent actually going to cover the EMI plus that high maintenance, or are you going to be paying out of pocket every single month? Taking these steps ensures your next decision brings you absolute peace. So, the really crucial takeaway here is this. Wealth creation isn't just about finding that one perfect magical investment that skyrockets in value. Avoiding mistakes through education is honestly just as important. Think about it. If you can simply avoid taking on an unnecessary 10 or 12,000 rupee monthly burden just by saying no to the wrong project, you've already taken a massive leap towards securing your long-term wealth. You've protected your capital and, way more importantly, your peace of mind. This brings us perfectly to the core philosophy shared by Dr. Anju Meena from PSU Employees Homebuild. Learn daily, observe patiently, decide calmly. Real estate should absolutely not be a rushed weekend activity fueled by excitement. It requires daily learning to slowly build up that clarity. It requires patient observation of the market. And above all else, it requires a totally calm, educated decision-making process. Education-first clarity is what truly saves you time, money, and stress in the long run. I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought to chew on today. Are you buying a property for long-term peace of mind, or are you just unknowingly purchasing future stress? Really think about those hidden costs. Think about the sustainability. If you want to continue building this kind of clarity, I highly encourage you to join the PSUpedia platform. It's an amazing space dedicated entirely to daily learning for PSU employees, completely free from any selling, designed to help you make smarter, calmer real estate decisions. Keep learning, stay patient, and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching PSU Employees Homebuild. Our mission is to help PSU employees make calm, clear, and confident real estate decisions through structured guidance and real understanding. If you found this video helpful, you may share it with your PSU colleagues so they can also benefit from the right information. You can also explore more videos on our channel designed specifically for PSU employees. And if you haven't already, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to PSU Employees Homebuild. I am Dr. Anju Meena, wishing you clarity, stability, and confidence in your real estate journey.